Hello students, today I will be starting with question number 2 of exercise 4.6. Now in this question we have, is every diameter of a circle also a chord? Now we know that every diameter passes through the center. So if this is the center of a circle, then diameter passes through the center. So this is a diameter. If I draw like this, then this is also a diameter. Then this is also a diameter, because all the diameters passes through the center and touches the boundary. So these all are diameter, isn't it? Now is every diameter of a circle also a chord? Now what do you mean by chord? Now chord of a circle is a straight line whose end points both lie on the circumference of a circle. See here, end points lie on the circumference. Here also it lies on the circumference of a circle, here also and here also. That means what we have observed, that every diameter of a circle is a chord, because the end points of this line segment lie on the circumference of a circle. So is every diameter of a circle also a chord? Yes. Okay. Now in the second part we have, is every chord of a circle also a diameter? Now chord means a line segment whose end points lie on the arc. Now and diameter means the line segment which passes through the center. So let us draw the chord now. These all are chord, isn't it? Suppose this is the center. Now the question is every chord of a circle also a diameter? Now only this chord passes through the center. So here we can observe that the chord which passes through the center, only that particular chord is a diameter. So here, is every chord of a circle also a diameter? So answer will be no, because here this touches the two end points touches the boundary of a circle, isn't it? So these all are chord, not a diameter, but the one which passes through the center, only that particular chord be a diameter. So every chord of a circle is not a diameter. So the answer will be no. So this was all about question number 2. Thank you students.